How to change your name on Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change your name on Facebook. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook app just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. Next, tap on the menu option. It is this icon here located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the menu area of your account as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of your Facebook account. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Come to this section here and then tap on Settings and Privacy. As you can see here, this section will expand to reveal more options. From those options, tap the one named Settings. This is the settings page of Facebook. On this page, you will find different options that can be used to manage and make changes to your account's settings. From them, make sure you tap on the Account Center just like you can see here. In the Account Center, you will see more options. From them, go to the Profile section and tap on it. If you have several accounts connected to your Account Center, you will see them listed here, and then you will be required to choose the one you want to make changes to. For my case, only one account is connected, so go ahead and tap on it. After that, you will see this page here where there are more options that you can use to make changes to the profile. Among the changes you can make is this one here named Name. Tap on it. After you do that, you will land on this page where you can change any of your 3 names because there are 3 text fields provided for your first, middle, and last name. After making the changes, go ahead and save them. You may then be required to verify that you are the account owner by entering your password. The process is that simple and straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to change your name on Facebook.